Imagine a world where power meets grace, where tons of metal pirouette through the sky. This is the allure of jet fighters in slow motion, each turn, each climb, a symphony of controlled power. The sheer might of these machines is mesmerizing. They defy gravity, effortlessly slicing through the air. We see the raw energy, contained and unleashed. This is more than just flight. It's a ballet of steel. The world slows down as afterburners ignite, a rush of pure energy, a visual feast of fire and speed. In this suspended reality, we truly appreciate the beauty of these machines. The F-22 Raptor, a predator in the sky. Its stealthy design, almost invisible to radar, wings angled, sharp as a hawk's talons. This is the apex of air dominance. Then the F-35 Lightning, a versatile warrior equally adept at air-to-air and air-to-ground combat. It's a technological marvel, a glimpse into the future of warfare. Each jet, a testament to human ingenuity, designed for speed, agility, and raw power. They're breathtaking in their complexity and elegance. These are not just machines, they are extensions of human will, a fusion of pilot and technology, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. The camera swoops and dives, mimicking the jet's movements. We experience the G-forces, the adrenaline rush of a dogfight. Clouds part, revealing the ballet below. Vapor trails paint the sky, ephemeral masterpieces. The sun glints off the canopy, a beacon against the blue. Every shot a breathtaking work of art. Explosions bloom like deadly flowers, the fury contained within the frame. We witness the destructive potential, a reminder of the stakes at play. But amidst the chaos, there's beauty, a strange, terrible beauty that comes from witnessing power in its rawest form. The roar of the engines reverberates through our bones. The ground shakes as these titans take flight. We are left in awe of their speed and power. Slow motion reveals the unseen, the subtle adjustments, the split-second decisions that determine victory or defeat. It's a chess game played at supersonic speeds, and in the pilot's eyes we see the focus, the determination, the unwavering courage. They are the ones who dance with death, who push these machines to their limits. This is the majesty of motion, the raw, visceral thrill of jet fighters in action, a testament to human ambition, ingenuity, and the enduring pursuit of pushing beyond the limits.